In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Looker Studio for dashboard. So to actually create a Looker Studio dashboard, first you have to sign into the platform by going to lookerstudio.google.com, and then you want to sign into your Google account. And after that, you want to click on blank report or create new report down here. And then it's going to show you a list of connectors. So basically, you're going to have to connect your data source using a pre-built connector for platforms like these over here on the list. So as you can see, there's a bunch of different ones. You can select whichever one you want. I'm going to go ahead and go with Google Analytics over here. And by the way, for the first time you're doing this, you're going to have to authorize your account. So it's going to look something like this. There's going to be an authorize button. You're going to have to click on that, and then it's going to ask you to basically sign in with your account, and then you'll be good to go. It's going to get connected. Then you can simply go ahead and select whatever you want from your account. For example, I'm going to add this data in here. It's just some sample over here. I'm going to add it from Google Analytics. And then you can go ahead and click on the confirm button once it appears on your screen. There we go. We want to click on add to report. And after you've done that, you can see there's a bunch of things you can do. There we go. Here on the right, you can go ahead and add in whatever you want. You can insert different, for example, like graphs or stuff like that, or charts, so you can visualize your data. And then finally, whenever you've customized your dashboard using the properties panel, you'll be able to, of course, go ahead and publish it. So here you can see the properties. You can go ahead and do whatever you want in here. Whenever you add some data in there, you'll be able to go ahead and customize this using the properties panel. And then again, you can go ahead and publish it or just view it like that, and you can use this as your dashboard. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.